Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Amirul Hazib bin Roslin, and for today we will be doing mock welding process. What is mock welding process? Well, since it's COVID-19, so we need to do a process of welding by using any items that is available on our household. First and foremost, prepare your safety equipment. First, glove. And second one is safety glass and also mask. Always use safety glove when doing your welding process. This is to protect your skin from getting burned and exposed directly to the UV light while during the welding process. Since I don't have any helmet, I'll be using my mask and my safety glass. I use this box to represent my welding machine. Make sure it is in a good condition and safe to use. Also, make sure that all of the wires are perfectly connected to the welding machine. Chipping hammer is used for removal of slag after arc welding. The hammer is of robust construction and well balanced. When working on stainless steel, a chipping hammer made of stainless steel must always be used. Steel wire brushes are a tool fabricators use to finish different types of metals. Brushes are used to remove flaking paint, rust, scratches, dirt, and small imperfections. They are used on concrete, metal, stone, and wood surface. Welding electrode must be the same material as the raw material. In my case, I will use my marker. Make sure to prepare the sample or product that needed to be welded. In my case, I will use my cardboard. First and foremost, use the steel wire brush to clean the area that need to be welded. Use a brush to remove the dust, and then position the material. Here is my welding clamp, and soon I will attach it to the electrode. You can set your electrode angle at any position that is convenient to you. In my case, I will put it on the tip back of my electrode. Since my clamp couldn't hold the electrode, therefore I just put it in the back, which is easier to be held. Currently, I'm holding another metal. And then take your earth clamp and attach it to the metal. touch the metal with the raw material. This additional metal will be used as a waste metal to ignite spark at the tip of the electrode. Before starting to weld, make sure to turn on the welding machine. And after finishing welding, don't forget to turn it off. Using the voltage knob, adjust the knob to get a suitable arc. Arc that is too strong will produce a porous to the raw material. In contrast to that, arc that is too low will not deeply penetrate into the raw material and it will only weld on the surface. Use the tapping method to ignite the electrode tip. Then use the scratching method. Immediately start the welding process once the electrode tip ignites, and then do a spot weld at both ends of the raw material, so that when you're doing the welding process, it won't move around. The electrode will not create an arc if the contact between raw material with earth cable is not properly connected. Make sure that the tip will have spark, or not it will be difficult to start the welding process. Restart the process by igniting the electrode tip. After finishing the spot welding process, check the alignment or position or angle of the welding parts joined. Make a zigzag along the electrode and the welding area across both parts. This is similar as sewing a fabric. Zigzag weaving motion is a good technique for making a cover pass when you are in the vertical welding position or flat welding position. When doing the welding movement, you must do it in slow motion or slowly. The electrode and angle movement must be toward the unwelded streamline. Remove any slug using the chipping hammer, and then brush the welding area using the steel wire brush. Tidy up and keep all the equipment after use switch off the welding machine.